This next video will show you how to maneuver the online website so that you are very efficient in regards to what to do and where to find your materials for a module. So there's really only 3 sections that you should focus on in order for this to happen. The first will be to go to the module that is coming up. We are just wrapping up Module 2, so we're going to move into Module 3 here. So I'm going to click Module 3 that talks about organization. This talks about the unit objectives, what you will really be focusing on here, which is really balancing your time for learning, so time management. You see that you have Chapter 3, due to read, and then here are some additional resources that you can use. And then we move into the assignments. Your first assignment here, as you can see, is you're going to be generating a table that outlines how you can take what you consider your regular work week and weekend, and you put everything into a table, and then you generate time where you will be focusing on your online courses. And then you see that there are 3 forum questions for this module. So Forum 1 on study tips, you respond 3 times. Forum 2, challenges, you respond to this forum 3 times. And then the study space picture, again, you're responding 3 times in that room. So in total, for your collaboration forum questions for Module 3, you are going to be responding 3, 6, 9 times total. So let's go back up here. And my recommendation is that you click the printer icon. This is the module as a hard copy. Print one out, and therefore you don't always have to be online. You can just use this as a checklist. You can read what is due. You can complete that work and then upload it when you are finished. I would recommend that you just go through, and as you get things done, you can cross off that assignment. So you can do that once you finish your chart. And then as you go in and you respond once to me in form number 1, maybe you just put an X here indicating that you've responded to the instructor. And then when you go in and respond to 2 other course mates, you could put an additional 2 X's there. And so now you have a visual that you completed all 3 responses needed for Forum 1. You can go ahead and do the same in the other 2 forums as well. I'm very visual, so this helps me out. I have a chart that I use when I am working in the online courses, and again, it's a great help. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel this out. The next section that you should focus on is the coursework. Now, coursework pretty much tells you exactly what is due and when. It only shows 2 assignments at the time. It only has that much space, so what you will need to do is click View All Assignments by Date. And as you see here, there are 3 assignments due today, this evening, and then you see that there are additional assignments that are due for Module 3 next week. The last place that you want to go is the collaboration forums. Click on the forums, and again, make sure that when you go in, when you respond, I'm going to go ahead and click on Module 2 preparation here. I'm going to go ahead and respond, hit a reply. This will just be, I'll just do this as a test post. And you need to remember to scroll down and hit submit. If you do not hit that submit button, your responses do not get posted. It gets lost, and then you need to do your response and then bring it back in. And this can get a little tiresome if you forget to do this a number of times and you find yourself having to resubmit often. So just make sure that you hit that submit button, and then your reply will be seen. Okay, so let's do this really quick here. I'm going to go make sure I'm in the student view. Again, 3 sections where you will find the information. Start with the module, print that out. Then go to coursework where you see the list of assignments. And then go to collaboration. If you use these 3 sections, you should be able to find everything that you need in order to keep up with assignments and deadlines.